Make sure your phone and Vizio TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Open the app you want on your phone, let's say HBO Max or Spotify. Tap the little cast icon in the corner. Select your Vizio TV and boom, your app is now playing on the big screen. You can't find Twitch on your Vizio TV? No problem. Open Twitch on your phone, hit cast, and you're live streaming straight to your TV. No app store required. Grab your remote and press the V button or the home button. A row of apps should appear: Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, YouTube, and more. These apps are already installed. Just click and log in with your account. If you don't see the app you want, don't panic. Vizio regularly updates SmartCast with new apps automatically. So if you're missing something today, check again in a few weeks. Press the menu button on your remote. Scroll to System. Select Check for Updates. If an update is available, let it install. Plug in a streaming device like Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, Apple TV, or Chromecast into your Vizio TV's HDMI port. These devices come with their own app stores. From there, you can download literally any app, from Netflix to niche apps you've never heard of. If your TV feels slow or outdated, a streaming device is usually way faster than the built-in SmartCast apps.